other space lines packing like a herd of tautons. Star Tours offers the widest seats and the most legroom of any airline. Every Star speaker is equipped with the most reliable pilots.
Greetings. One thing.
Advanced astromechs, and the latest IC360 camera droids. With more flights to more destinations, why not take your tours with Star Tours? Convenient daily departures. Star Tours is not responsible for lost or destroyed luggage, missed flights, disruptions in service caused by imperial entanglements, meteor showers, asteroid belts, or black holes.
R2, I seem to be getting an unusual reading from the binary motivator. Perhaps we should run a systems check. Why, anyone would want to race around the galaxy is quite beyond me.
My secret, okay? Our little secret. Is everyone here traveling to Yavin 4, home of the secret rebel base? Home of the previously secret rebel base. Have a nice flight. Well, what have we here? Clearly some sort of alien weapon technology. Huh? It's shooting at us!
I'm actually looking at that over there. Any skills? Yes. I totally suck. Keep it.
I'm kidding.
Yeah. Okay. I'm sorry, you can train us right here.
Turn us around this instant before we get into trouble. I knew it!
Stop right there.
Don't shoot!
I know you have a spy on board.
I'm afraid there's been a terrible mistake.
They're a spy and a traitor to the First Order.
I've never seen that creature before.
A fool. You are no match for the power of the dark side.
Star Tours, what are you doing here?
I have no idea.
Then stay put.
Why?
If you want to stay alive, you're going to need some cover.
This is anti-radio rebels. Thank the maker. Shoot! And you're going to stand back this instant. After I get you out of this dreadful place. The transmission.
I am Kanata, and I come to you with an urgent message. The shadow of the dark side is spreading across the galaxy. My friends in the Resistance need your help. Even you. Head to the coordinates I'm sending you. We must face them and fight them. Now go!
Martin, we are not together. Yes, we are! This is suicide. We'll be smashed to pieces. In the event we don't make it, I want you to know that you have been the most wonderful passengers. Hold on, Arthur! Hold on!
All silence. This is it.
You're right, Arthur. This mission cannot fail. Activate the laser cannons.
You got two kinds on your tail.
They're on me, guys. I can't take them.
Artu, the odds of successfully taking out two typewriters at once is approximately... Better than
Fine, sold. Well done.
All right, squad. Start the attack run. Remember, aim for the cannon.
What are you waiting for? Fire!
We did it! Thanks for your help, Star Tours.
It has been an honor. We'll be safe here, Batu. Yes, Atu. I believe this adventure is just beginning. What are you looking at? Go away!
Please remain seated until the captain has opened the exit doors. You may then unlatch your safety restraints by pressing the release button on your left. Make sure you have all your personal belongings as you exit. Thank you for flying Star Tours. Bye-bye.